Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn, and if you're new, you're most definitely welcome. So today I'm going to be doing pinkish or violet. I'm not good with colors. Eye or makeup tutorial. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos in the future. So right now what I'm basically doing is that I'm placing a brown eyeshadow that looks like my skin color on my crease, and I'm using a brush to blend it. And as you can see, I've already made my eyebrows. I'm going to link that in my description box so that you can check it out. So the next step is I'm going to be using my black eyeshadow from my palette, and I'm placing that on the outer corner of my eyes like I'm doing. And I know you're asking yourselves why I'm using that tape. You'll see the result, you'll see why I'm placing it there. So one secret with eyeshadow or makeup in general, it's blending. The secret to good makeup is blending. You might be having the best makeup in the world, but if you cannot blend it seamlessly, flawlessly, it won't look good. It won't look even as expensive as you bought it. So one thing you need to learn is to blend until you cannot blend any further. Okay, so after using my black eyeshadow, I'm coming in with my illegal neon colors, and will be using that pinkish stroke violetish color. I'm not sure about the colors, you guys. So I'm going to be blending that on my outer corner of my eyes, and as I blend it towards the black color, I want to make sure where those two colors meet is as flawless as possible. There is no harsh line left between those two colors, okay, or there is no line or point of demarcation. Yeah, so you have to blend it until you're satisfied. Don't just place it there and walk out. And now it's that time that we've been waiting for. Time to remove the tape, and look, you all look at how seamless, how flawless that eyeliner looks. The masking tape helps to clean your eyeliner so that you don't come back with the concealer. It works for me, that's why I use it. but I don't use it in all the videos or all the time. So I'm coming in with my LA violet pinkish color on my waterline, and I'm going to blend it halfway. I'm not going to place it on the waterline to the end, it's halfway. So in again with my all-time favorite Beverly Hills highlighter in the gold shade, and I'm going to place that on my tear dot and all the other places I want to highlight. So for my eyelashes, I'll be using a dermacol mascara, which is volumizing. I really love it. It makes my eyelashes look so long, such that people ask me like, are you using, which lashes are you using? Girl, those are my lashes. They are my real lashes. And I'm using my orange color corrector concealer, and I'm placing that where I feel like I have dark spots on my face. Yeah, it's a color corrector, so it corrects the colors on your face. So right now I'm going to be applying my foundation, and I'll be using Revlon Cappuccino shade. And what you want to do with the foundation, you want to blend until you can't blend any further, okay? And when you reach at the jaws, you want to bring that foundation towards your neck, like I'm doing. You don't want to look like you're wearing a mask. Same case to your hairline. You want to blend that foundation towards your hairline. Aya, sawa sawa. So in this video I never concealed my face. So right now I'm using sleek powder, compact powder in the medium shade to apply all over my face. To highlight my face, I used Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, and I like the gold shade in there. And I'm going to place it on all the places I want to highlight on my face. So to line my lips, I used MAC lip liner, and it's in the maroon shade because I was going for a maroon lipstick, and I'm using Kylie I don't remember the color, the shade I mean, but it was in maroon. But I'm going to list everything that I'm going to use as usual in my description. To set my makeup, I'm using NYX or NYX setting spray. It's a very nice mattifying setting spray, you guys. If you have an oily skin, I would advise you go for that. Yeah. This is the final look, you guys. It was so effortless and I really loved it. And yeah, see you in the next video, guys. I love you guys like so much, and see you in the next video, and bye.